Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any questions. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Let us solve this problem, that is part 1. Part 1 is, here you see that marks awarded for correct answers, marks awarded for correct answer, for correct marks awarded for correct answer, marks are awarded for correct answer is equal to plus 3 and marks awarded for incorrect answer, marks awarded for incorrect answer, that is equal to minus 2, right? Now Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika's score is equal to 20 marks. Right? If she has got 12 correct answers, marks got by Radhika, marks got by Radhika for correct answer is equal to, how many questions she got correct answer? That is 12. That is 12 into 3, that is 36, right? Now suppose marks got by Radhika for incorrect answers, marks got by Radhika for incorrect answer, Here you see that for every incorrect answer 2 marks is given for incorrect answers, minus 2 marks, right? Suppose the number of questions he attempted is x, therefore it will be minus 2x, minus 2 into x, right? Therefore the score will be marks got by Radhika's correct answer plus marks got by Radhika for incorrect answer will be added to get the score of Radhika. That is total score. That is score. Radhika's score will be that will be equal to marks got by Radhika for correct answer plus marks obtained by Radhika for incorrect answer, right? For incorrect answer. right? Therefore, marks got by Radhika for correct answer is 12 into 3, that is 36. Plus, if we take that Radhika has attempted X she attempted incorrectly. Question number is X. Suppose X is the question she attempted incorrect. Therefore, his marks will be minus 2x. Therefore, 36 plus minus 2x is equal to total score is how much? 20. Total score is 20. Right? Now you are getting 36, 36 minus plus into minus 2x is equal to 20. Or you can be represented as 2x is equal to, here you can write 2x is equal to 36 minus 20, that comes to 6, 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 by 2, that is 8. Okay. Therefore, if she got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Therefore, Radhika has Radhika Radhika has attempted has attempted Radhika has attempted 8 questions. 8 questions. 8 questions incorrectly. Right? Now we will solve question number second part. It is now, right? That means if I say that the Radhika attempted incorrect question is x, therefore it is minus 12 2x, right? Therefore we got the equation, that is 36 plus minus 2x is equal to 20. Marks is total marks is 20. Therefore 36 minus 2x is equal to 20, or 2x is equal to 36 minus 20, that is 16, and x is equal to 8. Therefore Radhika has attempted 8 questions incorrectly, right? Now the second part. Second part is here you see. Second part is now second part is here you see. Second part is that is same question. Second part, Mohini's score. Mohini's Mohini's score is Mohini's score is equal to minus 5, right? Though she has got 7 correct answers, marks awarded marks awarded marks awarded by Mohini, marks 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 obtained marks obtained by Mohini for correct answer for correct answer is equal to, she has got 7 correct answers, that is 7 into 3, 7 into 3, that is 21 marks, right? Let Mohini attempted attempted X incorrect questions, incorrect incorrect attempted X incorrect answer. Therefore, marks obtained by Mohini, marks obtained by Mohini for incorrect answer for incorrect answer will be, for incorrect answer is minus 2, therefore it will be minus 2x, right? And total score is minus 5. Therefore, we'll add the numbers. Marks obtained by Mohini for correct answer is 21 plus marks obtained by Mohini for incorrect answer is minus 2x, and that the score is equal to minus 5. The score is equal to minus 5, getting minus 5. Therefore, 21 minus 2x is equal to minus 5, or 2x is equal to 21 plus 5. Therefore, 2x is equal to 21 plus 5 is 26, and x is 26, and therefore x is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13, right? How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Therefore, Mohini has attempted Mohini has attempted 13 attempted 13 questions 13 attempted 13 questions incorrectly, right? Therefore, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.